Mommy said, time to clean your mess. I shook my head and said, no, no, no. But then she smiled and said to me, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. No, no, no. Shake your head. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Now let's try our best. Helping hands can be so fun. Working together, everyone. Daddy said, eat your veggies, please. I wrinkled my nose and said, no, no, no. But then he said, you're yummy and bright. Try just one bite, you'll feel so right. No, no, no. Shake your head. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Now let's try our best. Healthy food makes you strong. Let's all sing the veggie song. Sometimes no feels easy to say, but yes can brighten up your day. With friends and family by your side, let's give a happy yes a try. Teacher said, time to share your toy. I crossed my arms and said, no, no, no. But then I saw my friend